Dear learners, after viewing this diagram, your mind questions one created. What is this? So this is evaporation. What is this? This is the evaporation. Evaporation of liquid. So in that, what is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of removal of liquid by vaporization below the boiling point of the system. Evaporation is the process of vaporizing large quantity of volatile liquid to get a concentrated product. Evaporation is the process of vaporizing large quantity of volatile liquid to get a concentrated product. Definition of evaporation. Evaporation is the removal of solvent from solution by boiling the liquid in a suitable vessel and withdrawing the vapor, separation of concentrated liquid residue in the vessel. The equipment used for evaporation is known as evaporator. The equipment used for evaporation is known as evaporator. The evaporation process is carried out below the boiling point. So, pharmaceutical dosage form, manufacturing of solution, suspension. So that time we need evaporation process to remove of large quantity of liquid to get evaporated and make a concentrated product without affecting or without changing its present constituent or substance. So this is called evaporation. Liquid to vapor conversion, that is also called as evaporation. Conversion of liquid into vapor by supplying of heat. Objective of evaporation. The first objective of evaporation is to reduce the volume of product by heating without loss of nutrient components. First objective of evaporation to reduce the volume of product by heating without loss of nutrient components. Second objective, to make a transport and storage easy. So evaporation decrease the weight and volume of the product. So that is easily to carry the products. Another, to remove more amount of liquid from product before dehydration process. And last, to improve stability of product. So these are the objective of evaporation. First, evaporation to reduce the volume of product, heating without loss of nutrient components or without losses of drug. So manufacturing of dosage form, in that solution suspension, when we heating, the large amount of liquid get evaporated, but actual API doesn't affect it that. So that is the objective of evaporation. Second, transportation and storage easy. Evaporation decrease weight and volume of the product. And last, to improve the stability of product. So this is the objective of evaporation. Next, difference between evaporation and other heat processes like drying, distillation, etc. Evaporation is residue is a concentrated liquid. Drying is that a residue is solid. So basic difference evaporation and drying is, evaporation large quantity of liquid get vaporized and drying completely removal of moisture present in solid. So here residue, that is liquid in evaporation, and drying in the residue is solid. Second, evaporation start below the boiling point, distillation start at boiling point. Means evaporation start below the boiling point, means 100 degrees Celsius below, and distillation carried out at the boiling point, means 100 degrees Celsius or more. Evaporation process only liquid, drying is that complete remove moisture. Next, no attempt is made to separate mixture vapor even if any. Distillation is compulsory to separate each component. And the last objective of evaporation to get concentrated liquid only, but not to be get crystal, as it happens in some situations. Crystallization is objective to concentrating solution is to get crystal. These are the difference between evaporation and other heat processes, that is evaporation, drying, evaporation, distillation, evaporation and crystallization. So these are the basic difference you have to remember. Evaporation is carried out below the boiling point, drying is complete removal of moisture, distillation carried out at the boiling point. Application of evaporation. What is the importance of evaporation? In the extraction process, preparation of extract, various type of extract like liquid extract, dry extract, herbal drug extraction, useful in the drug manufacturing like antibiotics, enzymes, hormones, many other substances, used in the purification of vitamins, useful in the concentration of proteins and biological products, used for removal of water or solvent from the extract obtained from herbs, plants, vegetable, etc. Used in the demineralization of water. So these are the applications in the extraction process in herbal, useful in the drug manufacturing like antibiotics, that antibiotics inhibit the growth of microorganism, enzymes, development of body growth, hormones and many other substances, and last usually in the purification of vitamins. Another useful in the concentration of proteins, biological product, useful in the removal of water or solvent from extract obtained from herbs, plant, vegetable, etc. Used in the demineralizer of the water. Next, factors affecting rate of evaporation. There have different factors which affect on rate of evaporation. Means rate of evaporation either increases or either decreases. So these are the following factors which affect concentration of substance: temperature, vapor pressure, surface area, density of liquid. So concentration of substance increases, then result of rate of evaporation decreases. More the liquid present in the evaporating pan, evaporator. The equipment used in evaporation is called evaporating pan. The evaporating pan contains more liquid, result in more concentration of drug substances, result in rate of evaporation decreases. Temperature, second parameter, temperature. Increase the temperature, increase the rate of evaporation. Decrease the temperature, decrease the rate of evaporation. Vapor pressure, surface area, greater the surface area, greater the rate of evaporation. So these are the factors. So first, that is concentration of substance. If carrying higher concentration of evaporating substance, then rate of evaporation given substance will become a slow or less. And lower the concentration, higher the rate of evaporation. Temperature, higher the temperature, higher the rate of evaporation. Lower the temperature, lower the rate of evaporation. Vapor pressure, lower the pressure, greater will be the evaporation. Surface area, greater the surface area, greater will be the evaporation. Density, the higher the density, slower the liquid evaporate. So these are the factors which are affecting rate of evaporation, means rate of evaporation increase or decrease. Next, equipment used for evaporation. Various equipment used for evaporation. The equipment used in evaporation is called evaporating pan. So these are the equipment: evaporator with heating medium in jacket. Example, steam jacketed kettle. Second, evaporator with tube placed horizontally. Example, horizontal tube evaporator. Third, evaporator with long tube with natural circulation. Example, climbing film evaporator. And evaporator with long tube with forced circulation. Example, forced circulation evaporator. And fifth, multiple effect evaporator. These are the different equipment used for evaporation. 5 types, 5 equipment, that is evaporator with heating medium in jacket, evaporator with tube placed horizontally, evaporator with long tube with natural circulation, evaporator with long tube with forced circulation, and multiple effect evaporator. So first evaporator we learn, that is steam jacketed kettle. The principal steam jacketed kettle is also known as evaporating pan. So evaporation means a large quantity of liquid get evaporated. So steam jacketed kettle is also known as evaporating pan. Steam is supplied to a jacket kettle, means evaporating pan, in which aqueous extract is placed. Steam gives out heat to the kettle. The heat is transferred to the aqueous extract by conduction and convection. So we learn about form of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. These are the form of heat transfer: conduction and convection. So any material heating, vaporization need heat. So heat is transferred aqueous extract by conduction and convection. The temperature rises, means temperature increases, the molecule get vaporized. Vapor increases, and continuous stirring further enhance the vaporization of solvent molecule. So these are the principle, means steam jacketed kettle is also known as evaporating pan. Steam is supplied to the jacketed kettle, evaporating pan, in which aqueous extract is placed. Steam gives out heat to the kettle and heat is transferred to the aqueous extract. Aqueous extract by condensation and convection. The temperature increases, the escaping tendency of solvent molecule into vapor increases. Stirring further enhances the vaporization of solvent molecule. Next we learn about construction. These are the steam jacketed kettle. The apparatus consists of hemispherical structure consisting of an inner pan called kettle and outer pan called jacket. The two pans are joined in closed space through which steam is passed. So looking to the diagram, so in that faint, jacket, kettle, condensate, steam. Apparatus is made up of copper or stainless steel. Apparatus is made up of copper or stainless steel. Why this made up of? Because copper is a excellent material for the kettle because it's a good conductivity, means heat passing rate. It is surrounded by jacket with steam inlet. Steam jacket is also attached to the condensate outlet and vent from non-condensed gases. Hence the bottom outlet is used to collect the concentrated product. Next, working. The solution or suspension is added into the kettle. Steam is permission to the enter through inlet which provide heat to solution or suspension. The condensate leaves through outlet. On small scale kettle is used also agitation is done manually or mechanically by stirrer. The final product is collected from outlet present at the bottom of kettle. Working. So we solution or suspension is add into the kettle. After adding, steam is permission, means heat is entered through the inlet which provide heat to solution or suspension. After heating, the substance get vaporized. So we looking at evaporation. So this is the working of evaporating pan. Advantages of evaporating pan. Evaporating pan is constructed both for small scale and large scale operations. Easy to operate and cleaning, because many equipment, different equipment in industrial scale, are difficult to clean and operate. So but evaporating pan is easy to operate and clean. Maintenance and installation cost is low. Stirring of the content, removal of product is easy. Disadvantages of evaporating pan. Heat economy is less, means how much heat economy means how much heat passes and how much heat losses. Hence cost per unit material production is more, not suitable for heat sensitive material. The heating area decreases, the product get more concentrated. Boiling point of water cannot be reduced, since reduced pressure cannot be created in open type of evaporator. So these are the disadvantages of evaporating pan. Application of evaporating pan. It is suitable for concentrated aqueous liquid. It is also suitable for concentrated thermostable liquors. For example, licorice extract. So in this chapter we learn about what is evaporation, equipment used in evaporation, factors affecting of evaporation, application of evaporation, difference between evaporation and other heat processes. So what is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of removal of liquid by vaporization below boiling point of system. Evaporation is the process of vaporizing large quantity of volatile liquid to get concentrated product. Simply, evaporation means conversion of liquid into vapor by supplying of heat, making of concentrated product, and the equipment used for evaporation is known as evaporator. The equipment used for evaporation is known as evaporator. Objective of evaporation: reduce volume of product but without losses of nutrient components. Make transport and storage easy. As evaporation decreases the weight and volume of the product. Remove more amount of liquid product before dehydration process and to improve stability of product. So these are the objective of evaporation. Difference between evaporation and other heat processes: drying, distillation, crystallization. So evaporation, large quantity of get vaporized and make a concentrated product. Drying, complete removal of moisture, residue or substance used that is solid. In drying and evaporation in that concentrated liquid. Another evaporation start below the boiling point, distillation start boiling point. And evaporation is get concentrated liquid only but not to the get crystal, but crystallization process make a crystal. So these are the basic difference in evaporation and other heat processes. Application of evaporation in the extraction process: liquid extract, dry extract, useful in drug manufacturing like antibiotic, enzyme, hormones and many other substances. Used in the purification of vitamins. Useful in the concentration of proteins and biological product. Used for removal of water for solvent from extract obtained from herbs, plant, vegetable, etc. Used in demineralization of water. These are the applications of evaporation. Factors affecting rate of evaporation: concentration of substance, temperature, vapor pressure, surface area, density of liquid. So factors affecting means rate of evaporation either increase or decrease. Concentration of substance more, resulting rate of evaporation decreases. Temperature increases, rate of evaporation increases. Temperature decreases, rate of evaporation. Vapor pressure, lower the pressure, greater will be the evaporation. Surface area, greater the surface area, greater will be evaporation. Density, higher the density, slower the liquid evaporate. So these are the factors affecting on rate of evaporation. Equipment used for evaporation: evaporator with heating medium in jacket, steam jacketed kettle, evaporator with tube placed horizontally, horizontal tube evaporator, evaporator with long tube with natural circulation, clamping film evaporator, and multiple effect evaporator, evaporator with long tube with forced circulation. These are the equipments used for evaporation. Next we learn about steam jacketed kettle. Steam jacketed kettle is also known as evaporating pan. Steam is supplied to a jacket kettle in which aqueous extract is placed. Steam means heat. Steam gives out heat to the kettle. The heat is transferred to the aqueous extract by conduction and convection mechanism. The temperature is increases, the molecule get vaporized more, and stirring further enhance the vaporization of solvent molecule. These are the principle. Next, construction. The steam jacketed kettle is made up hemispherical structure consisting of inner pan called kettle and outer pan called jacket. The two pans are joined to enclose space through which steam is passed. Apparatus is made up of copper because copper is a good conductor. It is surrounded by jacket and steam inlet. Steam jacket is also attached to the condensate outlet when from non-condensate gases. Hence, the bottom outlet is used to collect concentrated product. Working: the solution or suspension is added in kettle. Steam is permission to enter through the inlet, which provide heat to the solution or suspension. The condensate leave through outlet on small scale. Kettle is used, also agitation is done manually or mechanically by stirrer. The final product is collected from the outlet present at the bottom of kettle. Advantages: evaporating pan is constructed both for small scale and large scale operation, easy to operate and clean. Maintenance and installation cost is low. Stirring of the content and removal of the product is easy. Disadvantages: in evaporating pans, heat economy is less, not suitable for heat sensitive material. The heating area decreases as the product get more concentration. Boiling point of water cannot be reduced. These are the disadvantages. Applications of evaporating pan: it is suitable for concentrating aqueous liquid. It is also suitable for concentrating thermostable liquori, for example, licorice extract. Thank you. Thank you so much.